Meet the Samsung 34ABFA Ecobubble washing machine with powerful cleaning with Ecobubble tech that removes stains even at low temps while staying gentle on your clothes. Fast, smart, and built for everyday laundry. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Samsung 34ABFA Ecobubble washing machine, water inlet hose, and user manual. Product overview. Smart features? AI Ecobubble technology transforms detergent into powerful bubbles that penetrate fabric faster for deeper cleaning. It helps remove tough stains effectively, even at lower temperatures, while protecting your clothes and saving energy. Hygiene. Steam releases powerful steam from the drum to deeply clean clothes and help remove bacteria and allergens. It provides a more hygienic wash while keeping fabrics fresh, soft, and gentle on the skin. AI Energy Mode helps reduce electricity usage by optimizing washing performance for better efficiency. It also lets you monitor and manage energy consumption through the SmartThings app. Super Speed Wash cleans your laundry in as little as 39 minutes without compromising washing performance. It saves time while delivering fast, powerful, and efficient everyday cleaning. The digital inverter motor delivers powerful performance with quieter operation and improved energy efficiency. Its durable design reduces wear and tear, helping provide long-lasting and reliable performance. SmartThings. Wi-Fi control lets you monitor and control your washing machine directly from your smartphone. You can start cycles, receive notifications, and manage laundry settings anytime, from anywhere. Installation. This is Samsung's front-load washing machine installation guide. Place the machine on a flat surface and remove the 3 transit bolts from the back using the provided wrench, then cover the holes with plastic caps. Attach the bottom cover, connect the water inlet hose tightly to the tap, and secure the drain pipe properly. Ensure all parts are fitted correctly, then switch on the power and check the drum rotation to confirm proper installation and readiness for use. How to use. This washing machine is very easy to use and comes with a large 9-kilogram drum capacity for convenient loading. It offers multiple wash programs like cotton, synthetics, baby care, and daily wash, along with adjustable temperature, spin speed, and timing for better control. The bubble wash feature helps improve cleaning performance while the machine runs quietly and efficiently. You can even pause the cycle to add forgotten clothes, and it automatically powers off after completing the wash. Specifications. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Samsung 34ABFA Ecobubble washing machine. See you at the next one.